Welcome back to Rev Render YT. Today we're diving into a car that's already turning heads across the US automotive scene. The 2026 BMW Z1. This isn't just any roadster. It's a combination of bold design, engineering excellence, and sheer driving excitement. From its unique sliding doors to its insane horsepower, the 2026 Z1 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about luxury cars of the year. And we're going to explore every inch of it. Starting with the exterior, the BMW Z1 is a masterclass in design and craftsmanship. The body is low and wide, giving it a planted, aggressive stance that immediately signals performance. BMW has taken traditional roadster cues and elevated them with modern lines and precision detailing. The iconic sliding doors are, of course, the first thing everyone notices. They don't just look futuristic. They offer a playful and practical way to enter and exit the car, especially in tight city spaces. The sculpted hood, prominent air intakes, and sleek LED headlights all work together to create a car that feels fast even when it's standing still. Every panel is meticulously finished, with crisp edges and flawless alignment, showing the level of craftsmanship BMW has poured into this roadster. The rear is equally impressive, featuring muscular haunches, integrated aerodynamic diffusers, and a subtle spoiler that hints at the power waiting underneath the hood. It's a car that demands attention from every angle, whether parked or tearing down the highway. Moving inside, the interior of the BMW Z1 is a perfect blend of luxury and driver-focused ergonomics. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with brushed aluminum accents that add a modern, sporty touch. Every surface feels intentional, from the stitching on the seats to the tactile quality of the controls. Comfort is surprisingly generous for a roadster, with deeply bolstered seats that keep you planted during spirited driving while still offering support for longer cruises. BMW's latest infotainment system sits front and center, with a crisp touchscreen that integrates navigation, media, and performance monitoring in one intuitive interface. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize performance stats, driving modes, or traditional speed and RPM displays depending on the mood. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a soft glow at night, enhancing the luxury feel without being over the top. It's clear BMW has balanced luxury with a sporty, purposeful atmosphere that makes you feel in command from the moment you sit down. Under the hood, the 2026 Z1 is a powerhouse that delivers performance worthy of its dramatic appearance. The engine lineup is impressive, with a turbocharged inline-six producing horsepower that will shock enthusiasts, paired with a refined automatic transmission and available manual option for purists. Acceleration is exhilarating, with the Z1 sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, providing the kind of thrill that keeps you smiling all the way down the road. Handling is equally impressive, thanks to a finely tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and precision steering that makes the Z1 feel like an extension of your own body. The car sticks to corners with confidence, while the braking system, with optional carbon ceramic brakes, delivers strong, consistent stopping power. BMW has also incorporated advanced driving features such as selectable drive modes and torque vectoring, allowing you to tailor the ride from relaxed cruising to full throttle excitement with ease. Every aspect of the Z1's driving experience feels considered and engineered to maximize enjoyment behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW Z1 positions itself as a high-end luxury roadster with value that matches its performance and design pedigree. Base models start in the mid-$90,000 range, offering a comprehensive feature set including the powerful engine, premium interior materials, and advanced technology. From there, optional packages and trims allow buyers to personalize the car even further, adding things like upgraded sound systems, enhanced driver assist features, and carbon fiber exterior accents. While the price reflects its luxury positioning, the combination of unique styling, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance makes the Z1 feel worth every penny for enthusiasts looking for a roadster that stands out in the crowded US sports car market. The 2026 BMW Z1 is more than just a car, it's a statement. From the futuristic sliding doors and meticulously crafted exterior to the luxurious, high-tech interior and heart-pounding performance, BMW has created a roadster that's as exciting to experience as it is to look at. It's clear that this is a vehicle designed for those who want to turn heads, enjoy precision driving, and feel a genuine connection to every curve and acceleration. Whether you're navigating city streets or opening it up on a weekend road trip, the Z1 delivers a combination of style, power, and luxury that is truly rare in today's automotive landscape.